My name is Helen Tunde Isaiah. I am here to talk about the ideology of MMA, how it works, the rules and benefits of being an participant in MMA, what are the interests, the bonuses, and how the program works. By the way of introduction, MMM is a mutual aid fund. MMM is a social financial network. MMM is a community of people who want to be financially free. There's no central account where all the money in the system flows to. MM is an acronym for Mavodian Movement. MMM is a mutual financial and community where people provide with their spare money and get help for their immediate needs required within the community. MMM does not collect money from participants. MMM is not a bank, hype, company, high-yield investment program, financial investment, neither multi-level marketing scheme. No. But who are the MMM people? In 1994, MMM held 1/4 of the entire cash in Russia, about 200 million members worldwide, the largest donation exchange network in the world. It was recently reported that the Bitcoin prices are being given up just because of MMM. We are a community that is built on helping people become free, financially free. What are our goals? The goal here is not the money, it is the financial freedom that every participant enjoys. Our goal is to create a fair financial system where money will no longer be an issue and to eradicate the world's unjust financial system. The goal is to create a platform where there will be no need to go to banks to borrow money to execute financial projects. Build a self-reliance to do so. How does MMM work? MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. Where does 30% comes from? There is no interest rate in MMM. In MMM, after you donated money, you get rewarded with Marvel. And what is Marvel? Marvel is an index of your tribute to the development of the community. This grows at 30% a month. It is a technical term. Programmers can adjust this growth rate of Marvel at any time. That is why presently we are enjoying the increase in Marvel rate, which is now 100% instead of 30%, which is used to be some months back. The amount of Marvel and its growth rate can be decreased, increased, stopped, and cancelled, which means MM is not a static program. It is ever growing. Marvel is the internal currency of the system. Marvel amount will start growing from the moment of the deposit at the rate of 30% per month. The calculation of interest occurs twice a week, on Tuesdays and Thursdays. For the recent happenings now, you can as well gauge at any time. You don't have to wait for Tuesdays and Thursdays again. The Marvel increase every day. This sum in Marvel shows how much you can request yourself. Benefit of participants. You provide help and receive 30% more per month for your donations. Registration bonus for every first donation. The participant receives a bonus in the amount of $20 US dollar. The donation is for 20,000 naira to 199,000 naira or 500 US dollar to 499 US dollar. 50 US dollar, the donation is from 200,000 to 1,199,000 or 500 US dollar to 2,999 US dollar. That qualifies you to get 50 US dollar. Then what qualifies you to get 100 US dollar? Your donation is from 1.2 million naira upward, then you are qualified to get $100. The referral program. I would like to also let you know that there is what we call referral bonus. You get 10% from all donations of the participants you invited to register. Inviting new members from the community is your additional contribution to its development, which means you are not just there to siphon from the community. You are also contributing your own quota to development of the community. Becoming a manager by finishing 10 days online schooling and earn manager's bonus. Manager of the community can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each of the donations of every participant in the structure. This is the multi-level bonus. Just a manager can have his own leader whose rank is higher than him. Manager's bonus varies depending on the level in the structure. What are the benefits of participants? I have said this, that you stand to get $20, depend $20, $50 and $100 depending on your contribution to the system. Be aware of risk. Everything about life is risk. is a community for peer-to-peer money exchange. Thus, only redistributes money between its participants, connecting a donator to a recipient. Therefore, in order that the mutual aid process may be beneficial and not restored, the numbers of participants donating money should generally increase. The community constantly wants to improve the reliability of the mechanism of mutual assistance. It may happen that those who have donated money will not receive help back. Donate only spare money. What are the rules governing participants? Rule number 1. Do not share email or bank details with other members. Penalty. You will all be blocked from getting help until you give identified proof. Rule number 2. Do not have multiple accounts. You can always create as many times as you want with one account. Then rule number 3. Do not delay in paying for your order. Penalty. In case your time expires, you will be blocked. Rule number 4. Do not click on the I refuse to make payment button for more than once a month. Penalty. You will be blocked. Rule number 5. Do not edit your banking details or change password less than 15 days before getting help. The penalty is that your GH will be delayed for 14 days. To be forewarned is beforehand. Rule number 6. Do not make deposit and fail to attach proof of full payment. The penalty will be blocked. Rule number 7. Always remember to write your letter of happiness after every GH withdrawal. After every GH withdrawal, write it after your GH is 3 days. If you don't, the penalty is you will be blocked. Rule number 8. Do not fail to confirm your payment. The penalty will be blocked. Rule number 9. Do not allow your family member to pH more than you. If they have more than the amount you pH to donate, let them do it through your PO or tell them to register through your guide's link. Penalty, you will be blocked. What are you waiting for? Get connected and join the community today. has made them reality. To be financially free, to be stable when it comes to your income, Rush now and join us. The community of moving train. Together we change the world. Long live Segma Virgin. Long live Nigeria.